This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include adjustable driver pedals, a power driver's seat, cruise control, a CD player, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, a traction control system, an anti-lock braking system, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 42,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive. Massey Saab of Orlando is located at 4241 North John Young Parkway in Orlando. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.